Good morning, children. Today we are learning practice worksheet number 2. So today we are learning bit number E. As we learn A, B, C and D, all the 4 bits in our previous classes. So today we are learning E bit, that is complete these sentences using the correct adverbs from the box. Adverb. What is adverb? The word which qualifies the verb 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 is known as adverb. As we have seen in our previous classes, the different types of adverbs. That is the adverb of time, adverb of place, or the adverb of manner. So here some of the options are given of adverbs that we need to fill up these sentences by using that helping box. Now let us read what the words given are. Loudly, yesterday, hardly, today, anxiously, angrily. These are the words which are given to us to complete these sentences. Adverb. The word which qualifies the verb. To say that how the work is being done. Either quietly, neatly, slowly, quickly. Mostly adverbs end with ly. First one. This house is very small. It's dash bigger than a hut. The options are loudly, yesterday, hardly, today, anxiously, angrily. Here the sentence is this house is very small. What they are saying, it might be somewhat a little bigger than a hut. The house is very small, they are saying. So somewhat, a little bit. So there we use the word hardly. Means more or less it is similar to a hut. There we use the word hardly. So that is a suitable word to it. This house is very small. It's hardly bigger than a hut. Second one. The whole class laughed dash at my joke. Here among these words hardly is already finished. The options left are 5. So what happened it seems? Here at my joke the people laughed. How they laughed? The whole class. Loudly, anxiously, angrily. We can't use yesterday or today in completing the sentence. So the correct suitable option is loudly. The whole class laughed loudly at my joke. Third one. Did you watch the match? Here the word sentence itself shows that it is of past. Did you? So the options are yesterday and today. Yesterday means the day which has finished. Today. So we won't ask did you. We use if you have the proper option today, then we use do you watch the match today. But you are asking something which has completed in the past. So we use the word yesterday. Did you watch the match yesterday? Fourth one. Aliza and I are going to watch a film. Are going. Are going, there we cannot use anxiously or angrily. So the suitable one is today. Aliza and I are going to watch a film today. Fifth one. Everyone was waiting dash for the news. Here everyone are waiting dash for the news. That is anxiously. Means we are very eager to know what will happen. That is anxiously. Sixth one. You are late, said Harsha. That is, Harsha said angrily that you are late. Here, hope that everyone understood today's class. Then we shall meet in the next class with the next bits or the new bits. Thank you.